Greetings and welcome to week 6 of Intro to Addictions. First of all, let me say thank you. Good job. Congratulations. As you know, we're running 2 classes right now. A lot of you are in both classes. Some of you are in both classes. This class, Addictions, is doing a wonderful job on the discussion board. Discussion boards are not for everybody, but this class is doing a really good job. Your participation has stayed high. Your posts are better and better and better each week. We had some really good discussions this week. I kind of hung back. I didn't do a lot of driving the conversation this week. And it seems like you guys picked up the ball and just ran with it. It might have been the topic. Might have been the fact I wasn't running the discussion. Oh well. Anyway, so good job. I have to, those of you that are in both classes, you've noticed I don't have this same level of success at the moment over in the Intro to Law Enforcement class. So I've got to get that one built up. But you guys are doing a very good job. Thank you. Your writings are improving a lot too. Your posts are getting better and better. Your writing assignments are getting better and better. Good topics, much fewer errors, much fewer typos, and you're really going out and you're finding neat things to write about. So congrats again. Week 6, we're talking about depressants this week. We're talking about inhalants this week. Inhalants, there's a side reading, a really good side reading. I was really happy to find it. It has to do with the problem of huffing, which is inhaling toxic fumes, basically. This one is written from a village point of view. It's written by a medical person and the problems he sees in the villages. You sure can't blame this problem just on the villages, though. I know that if I get out around town here and get up into some of the trails and some of the back areas and some of the make-do campsites, I will find aerosol cans, especially aerosol cans of what am I trying to say? The whipping cream, the propellant in those. The kids will huff on it. It's a powerful intoxicant. So that's what we see here. A lot in the villages, we see them huffing gasoline, solvents, really dangerous stuff. So I expect this will be a good week. I suspect we'll get a lot of good discussion on huffing. I think that it's probably something that a lot of you, unfortunately, have been exposed to in your areas. The fix is a wonderful side chapter on that. I mean, the chapter on this week has to do with brain functions and brain chemistry and how addiction affects the brain. So it goes along very well with this huffing chapter. The two just matched up really well this week. So, and thank you for those of you that I'm getting a lot of good the fix readings. You guys are writing about it. We had some good posts this week that said, gee whiz, the fix said this, the textbook says that, I've seen this. So that was very rewarding. Thank you. So good job on that. All in all, class is going good from what I can see. Next week will be the midterm exam. For those of you that are familiar with the quizzes over in the law enforcement side, the intro to law enforcement side, same thing. Multiple choice, true false questions, open book test. I want you to be able to find stuff. We don't memorize here. I want you to be able to go out and search and find and research things. So same type of thing. Midterm is worth a lot of points. It's a major grade enhancer. So make sure you set aside some time. It is open book. You should be able to ace this thing. You should be able to find the answer to every question. So that's next week. And then next week we start on alcohol. So again, we're really getting into some good relevant state issues. So good job. See you inside class.